Welcome to Q&A Wire.
We have given two long barrages and both are moving the same direction in still water, and we have given the speeds of these both barrage, and it is told that while they are passing each other, coal is shoveled from the slower to the faster one, and we have to find the force, that is additional force required by the driving engines. So first of all, I am writing the given data for this question. So we have given that speed of the fast barrage is given to us, that is 20 kilometers per hour, or I can say this is 20 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second. So this will comes out to be 5.56 meter per second. Similarly, speed of the slow barrage is given to us, that is 10 kilometer per hour, and this will comes out to be in meter per second, that is 2.78 meter per second. Now from Newton's second law we can say that is force is given by rate of change of linear momentum. So this is delta p by delta t, and this will be written as delta m upon this is delta t into delta v, because momentum is m into v. So from here we get delta p, that is delta m into delta v. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is delta m upon delta t, and this is speed of fast minus speed of slow. Now we have given all the data. So this is 16.67, this is in kilogram per second, and this is 5.56 minus 2.78. So from here we get the force for fast barrage, that is, and this will comes out to be 46.3 Newton. This is our answer for the first part of the problem. Now in the second part of the problem, it is told that the slower barrage if neither is to change its speed. So we can say that its speed is not changes, so no extra force is required as result of shoveling. So these are the answer of our given question. Thank you.